Hello. Today we will learn about how to make a deposit into OneWin account through Paytm. For this we need to click on deposit, then click on Paytm. We can either enter the amount of our choice or choose any amount from choice chips. Please note that the minimum deposit amount allowed is 300 Indian rupees to maximum 70,000 Indian rupees. Today we are depositing 300 rupees, so we enter 300 and then click on top up. We can see some informations like instructions and additional information along with amount and wallet number. On the aggregators page, we need to copy the wallet number. Now we need to open Paytm app. Go to mobile or contact, enter the number that we copied, paste. We need to verify the number once. Click on pay now. We can click on next at the aggregators page. Enter the amount that we want to deposit. Then we need to click on pay securely. The payment is successful at Paytm app. We need to copy the reference number from here and paste it at the transaction ID field. Please remember there should not be any space in the transaction ID. We should verify the transaction ID once again. And then click on confirm. We can see that the amount is successfully added into our OneWin account. To check the history, we need to click on profile. Then go to details. Here you can see the 300 rupees is already credited. Thank you.